Hi folks, today let's learn to make Boondi Laddu. Okay, so here in the video I'm not going to talk about the ingredients measurement. If you want, you can go and check in the description box for the perfect ingredients measurement. So first I'm starting by taking an empty vessel. To that I'm adding in 3 cups of besan powder. To that I'm also adding in 3 tablespoons of chiroti rava, suji rava, a teaspoon of kewra water, add in some water and keep mixing it. Keep adding water in intervals and keep mixing it so that you don't find any lumps. The consistency needs to be like this, flowing consistency. Okay. So your batter is ready. In a separate pan I have taken in some water, just half a cup of water, added about 5 to 6 cups of sugar. Again, manage the sugar level according to your preference. And we have kept it on the stove at low flame and keep cooking the sugar like this, mixing it regularly so that the sugar doesn't get burnt. We need to ensure that the sugar completely melts and comes to a sticky consistency when you try to touch it within between your fingers. Sticky consistency. Okay. So now it is done. Now we add in a half a teaspoon of lemon juice. Also I'm adding in 1/4 teaspoon of kewra water and mix it well and allow it to cook on low flame. Now there is a strainer here that we are showing, you can use that. Now in a kadai I have taken in some oil, kept the flame as medium, and in that strainer I'm going to pour in the batter directly into the oil like this. Okay, now so the oil needs to be hot, it should not be just warm or something. So just be careful while doing this and just allow the bundis to get cooked in the oil well. Do not over fry them. They just need a minute or two to get cooked in the oil and then you can remove them. See how they are small pearly like bundis. is a Boondi Laddu that I have told you right now, or you can just add in some chili powder, fried peanuts and fried curry leaves and make it a masala bundi. Alright, so now what we do, to that sugar syrup we add in the bundis and we keep mixing them into the sugar syrup, okay, for about 3 to 4 minutes and cover for about 3 to 4 minutes and then switch off the flame and allow it to rest for about 5 minutes. Now I've chopped in some cashews and almonds and you need to mix them, after 5 minutes resting you need to mix them while it is bubbles. Do not allow that to become cold, otherwise they will not hold shape. Use a glove or if you are heat resistant you can try with your own hands like this. You need to squeeze out excess of the sugar syrup out, make it into small molds and place it in the plate. That's it. Your bundi laddus are ready. If some breaks, that is not matter, the shape doesn't matter, but the taste is superb. So hope you enjoy this laddu. It's a wonderful, authentic Indian traditional sweet dish. And please subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Do not forget to like this video and share this video and also leave a comment below how you like this video.